Hello everyone, welcome to XRM. Here on this page, which is the first page that you see when you log into your XRM, you see an overview of everything. You see a few graphs here that shows how many invoices are paid, how many leads are converted. You have a bunch of numbers here that gives you a good idea of how is the sale going on. And of course, here you have a list of tasks, you have your reminders, the tickets that you should answer, an overview of everything, and access to all of the other tools from the left-hand side. And of course, you can play with this. If something is more important, you can bring them up or you can take them back down. If any of these boxes are not important at all, you can remove them easily, or you can edit them right there. This dashboard is super customizable and gives you a good idea of everything. The first thing that you need to do when you log into your XRM would be going through the items in setup. Once you go to setup, you have all of your staff that you can add them here with new users and everything. You can also go to theme style and change the look and play a little bit with the colors and everything here. You can also go to settings, which is basically the most important part of that. Here on settings, you can change the logo, you can add a dark logo, you can add a light logo, favicon, change your company name. And once you go through all of the items here, there are everything that you can modify. The address that should go, and localization, which is about your time zone and everything. How's the situation with your currency, about the emails, what's the SMTP system and everything. So you don't need to be really worried about everything that you see here. A lot of these things can be left intact, or you can contact us anytime that you have a specific question. But it's very self-explanatory when you go through all of these items. If there is something that you would like to change, you can change that. If not, you can just move on, and you don't really have to make changes on everything that you see here. But there's one thing that is very important actually, is on general your logo, company name, and everything that goes there. And also, if you would like to send text messages, it's really good if you go to the SMS here and you connect it to the provider that you would like to work with. For example, Twilio has its own credentials. Clickatel has its own API key. Each operator works a little bit differently, and you can work with all of the items that you see here. Bitly also has its own access token that can come here. So yes, that's about starting your work with your XRM. Thank you. On next videos, we will talk about other stuff.